Our company has a very rich heritage. Marcel Dassault, over 100 years ago, started our company, and he founded a Eclair propeller, which at the time was the most efficient propeller. From there, he drove the company forward, developing military aircraft and then later corporate aircraft. Customer satisfaction means everything. Our customers buy our product because they trust in what we do. We have a reputation of high quality, high technology, and that expectation we must exceed. And from here in Little Rock, what we do is the personality of the product. We develop the seats, we develop the window panels, install the carpet, the cabinetry, and it really brings the product to life for the individual perfection of the customer. Digitalized processes help us meet our business objectives by being able to do it right the first time. We're able to take the 3D design, we're able to prove it before we ever put it into production. And so it helps us with our quality, helps us with our cost and scheduling. And so we were able to take the 3D processes that we have and industrialize it, but it still takes the craftsman to produce that product.
We're developing 3D end-to-end processes for the development, the design, and the fabrication of our seats. We have had a great relationship with Lectra now for more than 5 years. We started with DesignConcept. We were using a 2D legacy software, which required a lot of physical mock-ups and a lot of iteration. Now with DesignConcept, we can iterate into the 3D design directly, and we don't have to make as many physical mock-ups.
In the past, when we produced a mock-up, we would actually get a sketch provided to us from our spec and design group. We would do the best we could with our 2D software to mimic what they required. Now that we're using the DesignConcept 3D software, we get a much more accurate pattern, and we get things right the first time.
Now, recently, we made the acquisition of the Versalis. So now we have a continuity in our digital chain. We are developing our patterns using DesignConcept, and we can directly export this data and feed it into the Versalis. We do not see any dimensional defects as we used to prior. We are getting more out of the hides. Now the operator is doing his nesting in front of the hides. We've typically seen an increase in yield from 5 to 10% since we've implemented the Versalis. The operator is more involved in the task, and that's what we want. We're making a very high-end product. Each step of the process is critical. We've seen a drastic improvement in the quality of the cut parts. They're more stable, they're more repeatable, which translate into a better product for the sewing department and a better cover for the upholstery department.
We look for business partners that share our values, and Lectra offers the 3D processes. And 3D processes are key to the fundamentals of how we go about building and completing our aircraft. By picking Lectra, we were able to develop a partnership that was based on those principles. We had trust in the quality of the product that was being provided to us. And it was giving us not only the needs for today, but also the ability to see where we were going to go in the future with Lectra.